Okay, let's face it, we all run out of ideas of what to make for lunch. So Christine Tizzard is here to help with some easy packable lunch ideas that will get you out of your sandwich rut. She's a chef and author of the new cookbook, Honest to Goodness. And really, that's what we need to say and how we need to say it, isn't it?
Yes,
Honest to goodness. These are great ideas. I'm really excited about this because I'm trying to get a little bit healthier with at least my kids' lunches too.
Which is always an issue. I have so many parents always asking me, like, what can I get my kids to eat for lunches? And the one thing I experience, I have 2 kids, is to just keep changing it up a little bit, and also like have little compartments for things, and try different things. So yeah, I have 2 recipes that are tried and true.
Okay.
They're out of my cookbook, and they're recipes that you wouldn't normally think of having for lunch.
And it's important to also mention, not just for kids, for adults.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah,
we're all going back to school.
I mentioned the kids, but
back to work.
That's top of mind.
And, it's January. Well, I'll want to be healthy.
Yeah, so let's build.
So, fresh spring rolls. So
Great.
I only used to get these order out.
See, okay, so
but we can make these at home really easy.
And I didn't know what that was.
So this is a rice paper wrapper. This is what it looks like. And all we have to do, say you're boiling water in the morning for tea, keep a little bit of that water left over. It's warm. Just swish that around in there.
That's all you need to do.
Few seconds.
Oh my
just
gosh,
want to
just
dampen
get it all there.
Now it's done.
Okay,
That's it.
out. Got it.
Put it on a damp tea towel. There you go. I have some leftover chicken from last night, so I'm gonna put the chicken in there, 1 piece. I got a bunch of rice noodles. Easy to make. You can make these in 3 minutes. Or if you have any noodles left over from the night before, anything, soba, chow mein noodles, anything, toss it in.
Easy.
Do you want to pick what you want to put in here?
We're gonna go with a little cuke.
A little cucumber.
And some peppers. I think I'm gonna go with some red peppers. All of this looks good to me though.
And this is all like things that you probably have in-house.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
And then all we have to do is wrap these up like a burrito. You just want to make sure they're nice and tight.
Look at that.
And they're very forgiving.
It's so interesting how
I mold to what you're wrapping, and there you have it.
That's it.
And we need something to dip.
Yes, we do.
So a simple dipping sauce. We have rice wine vinegar, garlic. I want you to add some sesame oil.
Okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha,
a little boost.
A little bit of spice, a little bit of maple syrup just to sweeten it up. Just a splash. And then, do you want to add some soy sauce?
Yes, that's here.
About 2 teaspoons.
Don't know what that means, but I'm just doing
Perfect. And some green onion.
Okay, great.
And there we have a dipping sauce, very easy.
Oh, fantastic.
Sometimes what I even do is I put this in the noodles before I wrap them.
Yeah.
So then kids don't want to have to worry about dipping sauces, bring them to lunch and stuff like that.
That's great.
So
I'm gonna do this.
Our fresh spring rolls. How easy was that in the morning?
Super, super easy.
Any leftovers, leftover shrimp.
I love that idea too.
Ham,
Whatever you
put
have in your
there.
fridge kind of thing. Okay, what do we have next?
So the other issue was salads, right? I love bringing salads to lunch, but they always wilt, and I don't want to deal with dressings and stuff like that. So chopped salads are really big right now, right?
They're just so yummy.
And they're so yummy.
Yes.
So we have basic celery, carrots. Do you want to add all this?
I do. Okay, so we've got broccoli.
Yep.
You want to add just
Just little florets, throw it all in there.
The whole thing?
Yeah, throw it all in
and
there.
why is this
Found
purple?
this really cute little purple cauliflower. Throw
You just
that in.
found it? Like what?
Just found it.
There's purple
It's
cauliflower?
magic.
Okay, magic. Look at that. Add some color. This is?
Halloumi cheese. So if you taste it, it's really salty.
I love that though.
I call it squeaky cheese.
It's squeaking in my teeth.
It's squeaky.
Yeah.
My kids love it because it's called squeaky cheese.
Okay.
It's great. Fennel.
Fennel.
Which is a little different because this is kind of like a Greek style dressing.
I love
And the
that.
fennel, I'm thinking ouzo, I'm thinking licorice, so throw that in there.
Okay.
Bunch of other vegetables, whatever you have lying around the house.
And then you're going to do a dressing for
And I'm gonna do a simple dressing. So
Stir this up.
dill, Greek oregano,
Yum.
of course, salt and pepper.
You know what's weird about me? I actually love day-old salad.
Well, this
I'm
salad,
like a weird person who likes like leaf day-old salad. So this is
is
like
great,
heaven,
and it'll
too.
last for 3 days in your fridge.
Oh, that's great.
So make a big batch.
And by day 3, it's going to have absorbed all of that yummy, yummy flavor, right?
Exactly.
Oh, I love it.
Juice of half a lemon. We're gonna add a good douse of olive oil, and then finally a little bit of garlic. I don't like a lot, so maybe a half a clove.
Okay. All right, and then we pour it in.
And we pour it in.
And we're good to go. It's so simple.
Yeah.
So simple.
And I pack this in a mason jar.
Yep.
or you can pack a couple little ones in little mason jars throughout the week, and there you have a beautiful chopped salad.
It is gorgeous. Well, thank you so much for these great ideas for not only kids, but for us as well, the big kids, right?
I know.
And as we go to break, take a look at some of the other ideas that you can find in your cookbook.
Yes, these are all in my cookbook. Leftover rice is a big thing in my house.
There you go.
Little bento boxes, little compartments for things.
Great ideas. And
Just
fun
keep it
to eat,
interesting.
too. Thanks so much.
Oh, no,
We're
thank
going to
you
be back
very
right
much.
after this. Stay tuned.